ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ?
ನಿಂದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ.
ಇದೆ ಒಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡು.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಈ ಕಡೆ.
Service. How do we see forward now for this week?
The company has grown from humble beginnings to assemble and service aircrafts of armed forces during World War II to a mammoth organization which has to its credit designed, developed and produced 15 flying platforms including fighters, trainers and helicopters over the years. The only aero engine so far developed and manufactured in the country is also by our company. We have not left any area untouched in the domain of aeronautics